Hi there, students. Numen, numinous. So Numen, a noun. Numinous, an adjective. Numinously, the adverb. Okay, so a numen is a god, but this is the divine presence. This is the gods that inhabit a certain place or a certain object. So the gods of the god of the kitchen, the numen of the kitchen. This is related to Roman beliefs, yeah, and the numen. We've got this Latin word numen, which is the word for divinity or a divine presence. So numen talks about the divine will. Yeah, so a numen is a spirit that occupies a place, or a spirit that causes a certain natural phenomena. So, for example, the numen of the rainbow, yeah? The spirit of the rainbow. The numen of the rainbow buries its gold at the base of the rainbow. The numen of an object, yeah? So, the spirit that lives in my pen, the numen. And then we can use this word numinous to say that something is divine, it's mystical, it's awe-inspiring. Mystical holy objects, numinous objects, yeah? The Holy Grail, yeah, is an object which carries great numinosity. Yeah, it has a lot of numen. It has a lot. It's very numinous. So it has a strong religious, spiritual spark. Something that suggests there is some sort of God there. So numinous, spiritual, religious, divine. I find woodland where there are no people, it's a very numerous place. It makes one feel very spiritual. It's rather divine. Yeah, it's otherworldly, so a very numerous place. I think standing out in a storm where there is lightning. Yeah, this is very numinous. You are filled with the sense of some sort of God. It's very spiritual. Yeah, it's very numinous. Yeah, the numinousness of standing out in a storm. Yeah, because you feel the numen of the storm, the numen of the thunder and lightning. Okay, so the numen, the god that occupies something, the deity of a particular phenomena, like the lightning, the thunder, the clouds, the rain, the earth. Okay, these are all different types of numen. They're guiding forces, they're guiding spirits, and they I think that the numen, this is talking about the divine will of God that makes things happen. I think the Romans believed that the numen, the will of the gods, is what affected the omens when they cut open birds to see what was going to happen. Okay, so numinous, holy, spiritual. It's got a deep spiritual connection. Yeah, I think maybe music could be a very numinous thing. Okay, it's something with this spiritual connection, this spiritual quality, something that makes it holy. It's got some sort of creative genius or driving force within it. Okay, let's see, numinous. I think this formality, I'm going to give this a 6.5 informality. Don't use it informally. I think use it in a semi-formal conversation. Semi-formal writing is probably better, or something formal. I have a feeling that there are many native speakers that are not going to use this word, but I think it's a very nice word to use. Then, as to origin, it comes from numen, from the nod of the head, or the divine will, yeah, from Latin nuo, to nod the head, yeah, or from Greek, ancient Greek, nuomenon. But this is the will of the gods, what the gods say is going to happen. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Numen Numinous. You could also actually have numinal, an adjective as well.